Ever wondered why your stomach makes those embarrassing rumbling noises, especially when you're hungry? It's your digestive system hard at work, even when there's no food. This process is called peristalsis. Your stomach and intestines are constantly contracting and relaxing to move food and liquids through your digestive tract. When your stomach is empty, these muscle contractions continue, mixing digestive juices and air. Without food to muffle the sounds, these movements, along with trapped gases, create those distinct growls and gurgles. It's your body's natural way of cleaning out the digestive system and signaling that it's time for your next meal.